What if I told you that with the right crypto trading strategy, you could turn $100 into $10,000? Sounds crazy, right? But here's the real question, does it actually work? I tested the most hyped crypto strategies, day trading, swing trading, and the famous breakout strategy, to see which one makes the most money. Did I hit the jackpot, or lose everything? Stick around because I'm revealing my real trading results. Watch till the end, you won't believe this. Let's be honest, most people lose money in crypto. Why? Because they trade like gamblers, not strategists. Biggest mistakes new traders make, FOMOing into pumps, holding on to losing trades and not using a stop loss. But today I'm showing you how the pros trade, strategically, profitably, and with a plan. Which strategy will win? Let's break them down. Day trading is not for the weak. This is where you make multiple trades in a day, aiming for small, quick profits. How it works: uses technical analysis to catch small price moves, requires lightning-fast decisions and no emotions, can turn $500 into $5,000 or drain your account. Biggest pro: high profit potential. Biggest con: high stress. One bad trade can wipe you out. Think you can handle day trading? Comment day below. If day trading is too intense, meet its smarter cousin, swing trading. How does it work? Well, you wait for market dips to buy low. Then, hold for a few days or weeks until the price pumps. Finally, sell for bigger profits than day traders. The biggest pro: less stress, bigger wins. But the biggest con: it takes patience. If you're impulsive, this ain't for you. Would you try swing trading? Comment swing below. Even if you have the best strategy, you'll lose if you make this mistake, not setting a stop loss. What happens without a stop loss? The market crashes and boom, you lose everything. A simple stop loss could have saved your money. If you've ever lost money without a stop loss, comment ouch below. This is where I made the most money. The breakout strategy. How does it work? First, identify resistance levels, where the price keeps getting stuck. Then, wait for the price to break above resistance with strong volume. Ride the momentum and cash out big profits. Why does it work? Big investors watch these levels. When they break, the price explodes. Want a full tutorial on this? Comment breakout now. So, which strategy made me the most money? Here's what happened. Day trading, high risk, small profits. Swing trading, smart but slow. Breakout strategy, best profits, easiest to execute. My winning strategy, breakout trading. Which strategy will you try first? Drop a comment below. Before you leave, here's your checklist. Like if you learned something new, comment your biggest takeaway. Subscribe because my next video is going to be insane. Subscribe now, don't miss out.